The Panasonic TPG600 can store up to 500 numbers within the handset. All Phonebook items are stored in alphabetical order. To access the Phonebook while in standby mode, press the Phonebook soft key. Enter the name or the first character of the desired entry and press OK. Select the number and press the green Talk button. To add an entry to the Phonebook, press the menu soft key. Navigate to New Phonebook and press the OK soft key. Proceed to enter a name and corresponding 10-digit number. Once completed, click the Save soft key. Your entry will now be included in the Phonebook. To edit an entry, press the Phonebook soft key. Enter the name or the first character of the desired entry and press OK. Scroll to find your entry and press the menu soft key once highlighted. Select Edit. Select the portion you wish to edit, either the name or number, and click OK. Once completed, click the Save button again.